So this question says, consider the functions f of x equals square root x. Let me just rewrite that. And g of x equals 7x plus b, right? So I'll write that. G of x equals 7x plus b. In the standard xy coordinate plane, so I'm just going to draw that just in case I need to use it. Y equals, okay, so let's see. Y equals f of g of x. And we're told that that line or that curve passes through 4, 6. So this is very valuable information because the fact that it passes through 4, 6 tells me that when x is 4, y is 6. This is something that a lot of students forget, that this ordered pair is giving you a statement of fact, right? When x is 4, y is 6. So the question wants us to figure out, well, what is the value of b? Well, I don't know how to find the value of b directly, but I can say that, with the information provided here, I can at least get started with something. So what is that something? Well, that something is substitution. So instead of writing again y equals f of g of x, I'm going to write 6 equals f of g of 4. Right? And hopefully you see where that came from, right? This 4 came from the fact that I know x is 4 and y is 6. So now what do? I can simplify this g of 4. Because what is g of 4? Well, g of 4, to go back up here, g of 4 is just 7 times 4 plus b, which is 28 plus b. So g of 4 is 28 plus b. So this would turn into 6 equals f of 28 plus b. All right, well, what is f of 28 plus b, right? So going back up here to my f of x, well, f of 28 plus b is just the square root of 28 plus b, because I just replaced x with what's inside the parentheses. So the equation that I am left with is 6 equals the square root of 28 plus b. Now, how do I solve this? Well, I want to solve for b. B is in my equation, so I'm doing pretty good so far. But b is also under a radical. I don't want a radical there, so I'm going to raise each side to the power of 2. Because I know that when I raise a square root to a power of 2, the square root disappears. So 6 squared is equal to 36. And 28 plus b, or the radical or square root of 28 plus b to the second power, is just equal to 28 plus b. So then I can subtract 28 from both sides, right? So this question becomes a lot easier at this stage. And then I have 8 equals b, and therefore my final answer is choice A.